Hello friends, today I am going to show you how can we create these types of realistic image using this Smash tool. Let us follow the step-by-step process. For this purpose, we open Adobe CC. At first we create a new document by clicking File menu and New. We create that new document of width 2400 by 2400, and here in advanced section we put the color mode RGB. Later we upload this image in different microstock, so we take this width and height. At first we open the image which we want to create. At first we open this image and we import in our artboard by clicking here and drag and put here. We resize it. In layer panel we just lock this layer panel so you do not move anywhere, and double clicking here we reduce the opacity 50% or dim this image 50%, so we can clearly view our lines which we draw later. Then we create a new layer and we draw all the things in new layer. At first we create this shape. We take pen tool and slowly we create this shape, and here we only keep the stroke and remove the fill, so we clearly view this image. Now we adjust the line, just taking the direct selection tool, and we adjust the anchor point. We also refine it with the smooth tool. Now we are using smooth tool to smooth this line. I'm happy with this, so we can move forward. Next we draw the second image here, so we take another layer. It is not necessary, but it is very helpful to create separately. So we take the pen tool once again and create another shape. Now we adjust the line with direct selection tool. Now we use smooth tool. Next we create this cutting shape. We create separate layer for this cutting face. So we just create another shape of background layer, sorry, background shape. Just press Ctrl C and Ctrl A. So we got another shape, this shape on front of another previous one. Now we use shape builder tool, just remove one shape and to select both the shape, use shape builder tool. Remove the extra anchor point. So we got this shape. We just need to delete it. Like this. We take another new layer and copy this shape and paste the other layer, and we delete this one. So we have 3 layer and 3 shape in different layer. So we can easily create one and another separately. At first we create the whole papilla, so we toggle here and off the visibility. Now we can use mesh tool directly from here, and better way to use it, just select the object, go to object menu and select create gradient mesh. So a dialog box is open here, and we can adjust row and column here. So we can adjust row and column by change this number and column also. We take 7 rows and 7 columns. It is not necessary, but I am happy with this. Once again we take another column here by clicking this line, and also here by clicking here. Okay, now we view the grid here, mesh grid. Now we open the view menu and we open the window menu and we open the navigator panel, so we can show here our progress, and then we reopen the image layer to show that here is the white fill, but we click here by holding Ctrl key and click here, we just view the grid here. Now we choose each of the anchor point and fill them with the color. So we choose the direct selection tool and click the anchor point, each anchor point, select the eyedropper tool here and shortcut is I. We remove this color from the background. So you can show here in navigator panel. Next, we once again choose direct selection tool by clicking shortcut A. Choose this anchor point and click I to choose eyedropper tool and fill this color. You can create it fast by just clicking the contour key, so it convert into direct selection tool. Choose this point, anchor point, and release the key, so it transform into eyedropper tool. Choose this color. Now we move it fastly. Now we once again click here by holding Ctrl key. You can view the whole image, and now we can adjust the color of each anchor point by choosing them. Now we create another shapes. This shape. Choose this shape. Go to object menu. Choose create gradient mesh. Take 6 row and 6 column here. Next we choose mesh tool and click here. Once again. Okay. Next we click on this eye by holding Ctrl E. Now we fill with the color. We choose each of the anchor point and fill the color. Now we adjust the color once again. Now finally we create the cutting face. This one we just of the visibility of other shapes, so we can see it easily. Okay, now select this shape, go to object menu and choose create gradient mesh. So we take 6 rows and 6 columns. Press OK, and now we create 2 more columns here. One is in this position, and other is in this position. Okay, now click here with the holding Ctrl key. So we can just do the grid here. Now choose direct selection tool, choose each of the anchor point and then click I to choose eyedropper tool and fill it with the color. Here on top to show these seeds, so we create a new layer and create a shape like this. Choosing pen tool, we create this shape. Now we create the seeds. We choose ellipse tool and create these seeds like this, and now we arrange this. So we spread all the seeds as per our requirement, and now we on visibility of all the layer. So we finally got this shape. So thanks for watching. If you need any help, please write me. Thank you.